So tonight we're going to have a delicious 36-day aged Scottish ribeye steak sandwich with a bit of Gorgonzola cheese, rocket, in 2 toasted farmhouse slices.
And for dessert... You want a beer?
Yeah. Whoa.
So currently we're cooking these Scottish ribeye steaks with all the smoke going in my face. Absolutely what you want.
And you're getting bitten by midges.
And midges, you know, got skin so soft on but it's still not working.
What?
What? What do you say?
Next we've got the Aberdeen Angus quarter pounder burgers. Little special. Right, we've got the steaks, we've got the burgers, we've got the onions, salad's cold, we just need to toast the bread now.
To cut it. Why you're a chef and I'm not.
That's that.
God, this is hot as fuck.
Gorgonzola, steak and rocket.
Out of 10?
Bit of black pepper on there. Bit of 10 out of 10. Solid 9.5.
Hey, there we have it. And Dill? Too busy scoffing his face.